Thrice constructing, developing a colony lordship without having a colonizer license lordship.
के पास जाइए, जब आप पेश करिए,
already withhold the sale of the property of certain
के
contract.
पास जाके बताइए, आप बताइए कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, कॉलोनाइजर लाइसेंस नहीं है, ही विल एग्जामिन एंड पास ऑर्डर अप्रोप्रिएट ऑर्डर।
हम तो
आप भाई अगर कॉलोनी डेवलप कर रहे हो
नहीं, मैं
विदाउट
कॉलोनी, मेरा तो 1500 स्क्वायर फीट जमीन है मारो। 1500 में
1500 में अगर आप कॉलोनी डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो मतलब यू आर ग्रेट पर्सन।
नहीं नहीं, वही ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं।
यस,
The property of the petitioner, my lord, they have refused to give the permission to sell the property. They have filed the
क्या
return.
है? P1 P1 क्या है? P1 में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, किसको क्वेश्चन करवा रहे हो आप? देखिए रिलीफ आपका और डॉक्यूमेंट्स देखिए। 5/10/2019 कौन सा है ऑर्डर ये?
That is, my lord, P2 page number 38 to 43.
38
जी।
ये तो खत्म हो गया होगा अब तक।
नहीं my lord, अभी भी परमिशन नहीं दे रहे सेल करने की प्रॉपर्टी।
तो सेल करने कोई रीजन होगा उसके पीछे।
Lordships, page number 38 में भी seen
वही देख रहे हैं।
Annexure P2. There was a complaint regarding a few people. They were unauthorizedly constructing, developing a colony lordship without having a colonizer license lordship. That has to be first they under section 61 of the Panchayat Raj Adhiniam lordship, because that area doesn't fall in the municipality, therefore it falls under Panchayat Raj Adhiniam. Under section 61 they have to take
कलेक्टर ने किया है ना?
जी। And
I am praying that it may be taken up, my lord, in next week, my lord.
तो क्या करोगे आप?
नहीं, I will, my lord, argue finally.
तो क्या अभी क्या हो रहा है?
And that's why, my lord, I am not prepared, my lord. There's the books, my lord, that I have not got. I am praying for fast way. And next week, my lord, I am praying.
वही कलेक्टर के पास जाइए, रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर दीजिए, ही विल डिसाइड।
नोटिस भी इनको दिए हैं कि यू
कलेक्टर के पास जाइए, जब आप पेश करिए,
already, my lord, withhold the sale of the property of certain
के
contract.
पास जाके बताइए, आप बताइए कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, कॉलोनाइजर लाइसेंस नहीं है, ही विल एग्जामिन एंड पास ऑर्डर अप्रोप्रिएट ऑर्डर।
हम तो ना कॉलोनाइजर,
तो आप जाके बता दीजिए ना, तो रिलीज कर देंगे आपका।
नहीं, ये तो इनने ऑर्डर ही पास कर दिया जो 5/10/2000।
जाके आपको तो नोटिस भी दिए हैं ना, तो आप जाके उनके पास बता दीजिए, सब चीज रिलीज कर देंगे ऑर्डर आपका।
ये ऑर्डर, मान लो, जब तक ये ऑर्डर कलेक्टर का सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगा,
उन्हीं के पास जाइए ना, उन्हीं के पास तो भेज रहे हैं। He will re-examine after going through your reply and take appropriate decision with regard to release of the land.
मैम,
he has been given opportunity. Thrice notices have been issued. They have been called that come with your documents. It will be verified.
I am the registered owner of the property of certain।
आप भाई अगर कॉलोनी डेवलप कर रहे हो
नहीं, मैं कॉलोनी, मेरा तो 1500 स्क्वायर फीट जमीन है मारो। 1500 में
1500 में अगर आप कॉलोनी डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो मतलब यू आर ग्रेट पर्सन।
नहीं नहीं, वही ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं।
तो अपार्टमेंट बना के बेच रहे हो आप?
नहीं, इनका ऐसा भी नहीं है। हम तो, हमारी प्रॉपर्टी इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टी है जो सिर्फ 1000-1500 स्क्वायर फीट है, वो हम प्रॉपर्टी को बेचने जा रहे हैं।
फॉर petitioner Mr. Vinay Pandey for state. The petitioner has filed this petition seeking following relief. Heard on admission, Mr. Parag Kotecha would submit that the petitioner is owner of survey number 68/5, admeasuring
1500 square feet.
It was, my lord,
कुछ भी पता नहीं।
500 स्क्वायर फीट।
No, 500 he want to sell out of the,
कितना टोटल?
इसके मेंशन इन्होंने नहीं किया लॉर्डशिप, इन्होंने बस ये कहा।
ओ हमारा कोटेचा साहब कैसे ही रहता है। situated such and such place, village Panka, district Rajnandgaon. He would contend that the petitioner wanted to alienate part of property, but the collector, by order dated such and such, restrained the petitioner and other villagers from alienating the property on the ground that the petitioner and other landowners were trying to develop a colony without securing colonizer license. He would submit that the petitioner is owner of only 1500 square feet of land. Therefore, the issue to develop a colony doesn't arise. He would pray that the petitioner may be permitted to make a detailed representation before respondent number. Corrector कौन है?
So
The
respondent.
respondent number 4. Two. And in turn, the authority concerned may be directed to reconsider the claim of the petitioner. On the other hand, Mr. Vinay Pandey would submit that the petitioner and other landowners were trying to alienate the property by developing colony without obtaining the colonizer license. Therefore, a common order was passed by the collector Raj Nandgaon on 5/10/2019, whereby all the landowners who were developing colony, were restrained from alienating the property or developing the colony. He would submit that thrice notices were issued to the petitioner, but he failed to appear before the authority concerned.
हमारा no notice has been issued.
इनका कहना है भाई.
नहीं, फाइल के annexer R1
Therefore, and finally, an order was passed. Heard. Take into consideration the fact that the petitioner is owner of only 1500 square feet of land, and according to petitioner, notices were not served upon him, the petition at this juncture is disposed of, reserving liberty in favor of the petitioner to make a representation before the respondent number 2, raising all his grievances, and in turn the authority concerned is directed to take appropriate decision in objective manner on such representation made by the petitioner, keeping in mind that the petitioner is owner of 1500 square feet of land only. Full stop. The appropriate decision shall be taken by the authority concerned within period of 120 days from receipt of copy of this order.
So that रकबा my lord is 0.21 acre my lord.
0.21 एकड़ कर दीजिएगा मैडम ना, वो 1500 की जगह में 0.21 एकड़. मिस्टर कोटेचा, मिस्टर पांडे.
CR number 34.
The petition is disposed of at admission stage itself.